Alright guys, I got some questions about these types of problems here that deal with the names of workers in an office building. These are really just points on a plane type of problem. So using the letter of each person's, the first letter of their name as a point, what we can look at is if you were to, let's say, take your building as being represented by this three-dimensional block. And if you say that Dan works in the basement, so you can place that point D down in the bottom of the box, whereas Ann, Bill, and Carl share an office on level X. So you can say here they're on this plane up here, which we can label plane X. And then it says that Bill likes a window seat. So you could say that there's the window. Anne likes to be near the bathroom, so let's say that's located here. And in that same plane, X, Carl prefers a seat next to the door. And so you can represent it here. They don't necessarily have to be points on the edges or the edges meet. They can be points anywhere on that plane. And then it says their three cubicles do not line up, and then describe the relationship between the line segment drawn from Carl and Dan. So if you were to connect Carl to Dan with a straight line segment, you could describe that as these 2 points being both collinear in a straight line, and they can be contained in the same plane. That plane happens to be this plane running diagonally through from edge to edge would contain that particular set. So again, hopefully that makes some sense, and those types of problems are just a matter of plotting your points along those lines.